Now, let me show you a new strategy, another strategy, brand domination strategy, where we use all the brand ads plus all other types of ads. And in this, the keywords that we target is obviously uh, the search term reports keywords, which have got 3+ sales, plus the keywords in which we are ranked organically on the first page and have high search volume that we have shown previously. So let me show you the exact thing. So this is how a normal mobile screen looks like, and more than 80%, 75 to 85% conversion happens in mobiles. That means sales happens in mobiles. So here, look at this one. This is a brand who is a perfect example of brand domination. So what he is doing is, first he is using custom image in his headline search ads, and then he is showing his headline search ad for the keyword in which he is ranked well. So which keywords that you are going to target here? You are going to target all the converted keywords for which you have got 3+ sales. Plus, you are going to target all the keywords which have good search volume and you are ranked organically on the first page. The next thing you are going to look at is the same brand. The same brand is running their sponsored product ads. So first they are running headline search ads, then they are taking the top position in the sponsored product ads. Next comes few organic products. Next come their videos, the product videos. So in product video, one thing you will notice, it is taking the real estate of almost 2 product listing. It is showing the video. Now there is a video of Bold Fit only, the same brand. And again, if you go below, you will see the same products organic listing. Now just assume if you are taking away 80% to 90% of the space in the first page, what is the more likelihood to purchase your products than your competitors? So this works really well on converted keywords and those keywords in which you are ranked well. Do not target broad keywords, you are going to spend a lot. So now the first position, they are taking the headline search ads. The second position, they are taking the sponsored product ads, the first sponsored product ads. Then they are taking the video ads. Now video ads take 2 positions, first the video, then the listing itself. So then you can see the third and fourth as well, because it is taking almost 2 real estate. It is almost taking the 30% or to 50% of the screen, viewable screen. Then again comes the fifth also, the Bold Fit, their organic listing. The same thing you have to do in order to get plenty of sales with cheap ACoS. Now you will not get cheap ACoS if you do not target converted keywords. If you target broad keywords, trust me, we have done that. You are not going to spend, like, test that and spend the amount of money we have wasted. You're not going to do that because you are going to lose a lot. Now we have tested that out because some of our clients offer us some testing money, like a budget for testing, because they are so big, they want to spend a lot in their brand awareness. So this is the thing I wanted to cover. This is a part of brand domination, omnipresence. Apart from this, you can also run display ads inside this keywords as well. Sorry, you cannot run on keywords, obviously. You can run display ads on the top performing AI science. Okay. So these are all things that you have to do in order to make some good amount of advertising optimizations.